So hello guys, I am back after months making a new video. As you know that I am a lazy person and I haven't uploaded any videos since 4 or 5 months. That's not too long, but also too long. So I'm making a new game and I'm uploading this devlog after an year. You know that I've been making a swordsman game back a year ago, but the files are deleted and forget about it. So I'm making a new game, which means new files. I'm making a cube runner game that's a totally garbage. You can see for showing off I make these side barriers. So you know that how much barriers I make? 3,000 barriers. This will gonna kill your PC permanently, and graphic card and internal graphics also. So I've been joking that we're not gonna kill it because it doesn't kill my PC. So I will show you gameplay now. Why it is taking so much time? I don't know. It's taking my whole desk, as you can, my whole desk. I've been saying you that this will kill your PC. Oh yeah, now it is running. So when it will open, then we will see. But let's just talk for now. Why I haven't uploaded any video? Because I didn't get time. I have a lack of time. That's why I haven't uploaded any video. So why it is taking so much time? Let's pause the video. Oh yeah. Now you can see that. Wait a second. I will show you in maximum screen. Yeah. Oh shit, why it is so laggy. Yes, because video recording is going on and other apps are also going. Graphic card is in use. So see, if you touch this any other color box, your player will disable that. Your player will not gonna move. So this is a total garbage game. Anyone can make it. Yes. So I will upload the full video of it after this devlog. So this devlog is too short. I haven't been showing you any code because the code is also looking like a garbage. That's why. And video will gonna be too long. And there were some rendering problems. So it will take so much time to render. So I will upload regularly video in the gap of 2-3 days. So that's why you can show here. I am not gonna start this. It is starting, but you can see here code. So that's for today's video. You will be saying that today's video is too short. Yes, it is short, but I will upload a long video after 2 or 3 days. So thanks for watching the video. I'm back, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel to see more devlogs video. Thank you.